Hola, my beauties. So today we are going to do this brown with pink glam look, and as I'll do it step by step. So I've already prepped my skin with this Requel face toner, vitamin C, and then this plum, all bright ears day cream, and then this Wadi Herbals lip balm, and now I'll start up with this particular illuminator that is from Glow Essentials Halo Illuminator. It will actually give a very right kind of canvas for my makeup. It gives a very dewy and natural finish to the makeup. So I've applied it 2 drops and entire my face, and you can see there is a lot of dewiness in the on my skin. Then I'll start up with my favorite primer, that is Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. This is again a tinted primer, and I will take it on the back of my hand and I'll apply it on my T-zone, the areas that where I have my concerns with regards to the pores, and I'll then spread it across my face. I'll take some extra on my nose area where the there are pores, and yes, you can see that it has given a very good coverage for my canvas for my makeup per se. Then I've taken this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation, and yes, I've taken it at the back of my hand, and I'll take one by one from my fingertips and apply it all over my face, on my necks, very evenly. I do that, and I like to put it with my fingers because it gives an even application. And then I would use the beauty blender from Glam Aroma, and yeah, so my foundation is done. For the concealer today, I'm taking ColourPop concealer in the shade light 18, and I'll apply it in my concern areas, or where I usually apply, under my eyes, on my eyelids, and on my T-zone area and around my mouth. And then I'll just blend it with this beauty blender. You see how easily it blends out. It has a very good coverage, and very nice for my skin tone, so I love this one again. Then moving on to my L'Oreal Matte Magique powder, you can see how much I have used and abused it. And yes, I'll apply it just under my eyes and wherever I have applied the concealer, because I would like to maintain the dewy look. And then moving ahead, I'll take up this My Glam palette. I really don't remember what shade it was. I'll put it in the description box. So I'll do the contouring, a very natural kind of a contouring, guys, and you can also do it. It's not a very hard thing to do, but it's how you have to take an angled brush, and this is how you do it, just on your yeah. So then after that, you'll apply with the nose contouring, and you take an angled a smaller brush for it. This is from Glasm Cosmetics. I'll mention the link of the page on Instagram. Now I'll start with my eye makeup, and then first of all my eyebrows. So I've taken this eyebrow brush to just first brush out my eyebrows. Then I've taken this L'Oreal brow pomade in the shade Ebony, and this is how I actually I like to outline my eyebrows first, and then I just fill in my eyebrows like so, as you can see it. And then I as how this particular growth are your hairs are growing, you have to just fill it very nicely, as you can see. And then yeah, so I've done it on my other eyes. So then moving ahead, I am starting up with the eye makeup. So the first I've taken this Focallure palette, and I've taken a buffing brush, and I'll do the transition shade. That is a very light brown shade that I will take in my transition, as my transition today. And you have to do it with a fluffy blending brush. And then this is from Wet n Wild, a Rose in the Air palette, and then I've taken a darker brown shade, and with the same brush I have done the crease, as you can see. And then I will take another brush, and another darker shade of brown I have taken, and I have tried to build in the gradient effect, light brown, then brown, and then orangish brown kind of shade. And then I'll just buff it everything again. And now these palettes that you're seeing, these theme palettes, are from Beauty Glazed. Yeah, I was actually seeing whether I have been recording or not. So I will take this the blue shade in the corner, outer corner of my eye, as you can see. And yeah, so this is how I would try to build in just in the V shape, right? And yeah, then I'll blend it across again with a clean brush. I'll take a more brighter royal blue shade, and then I'll build it up again just as a V. I'll just try to place the color, and then I'll just will blend it across to give it a more blended look. Then post that, what I'll do is that my inner corner until the middle of my eyelid, I'll take a pink color, mauvish pink matte color first, to just give it a base. As you can see, so I've taken a shader brush, that is flat shader brush, and then I have taken the pigment onto it, and then I've tried to build it as a base, the pinkish base, because I will be applying a shimmer pink shade on this particular place of my eyelid. So that I have done, and I've tried to build it up as to my liking. And then I've taken this pink shimmer from the same Jupiter palette from Beauty Glazed, and yeah, so you can see I've applied from fingers. The shimmers and all, I precisely like to apply it with my fingers. And then in the inner corners, I've taken this champagne shade to just give it a wide open kind of a pretense to my eye. Uske baad, yeah, so I've taken this pencil brush, and I've taken that light brown, that brown shade, and lower lash line I've just tried to apply it and blend it with another brush, pointed brush. And then I have taken this Neptune palette from Beauty Glazed again, and a very fine brush. I've tried just in the outer corners, I have tried to put that blue color, indigo color, that to give it a sync to the whole look from up and lower lash lines. So then I'll apply this kajal from Plum Nature Studio, and yeah, so that is done. Now what I'll do is I'll just curl my lashes with the Calabar eyelash color, and then I'll move ahead with my eyelashes. So this is the random eyelash I purchased from the Insta page, and I'm done with the eyelash. Now moving on to the face, and this is the Note Cosmetics blushes. The review you will see very soon on my channel. I love these blushes. I'll put up the link on the description box. You can go ahead and purchase. These are very, very nice, and I really love it. This was in the shade 08. Then this is Milani Cosmetics bronzer. I really don't remember the shade, so you can check out the description box for it. So I'll just bronze up my face a little bit to give it a more neutral look. Then this Makeup Revolution, that illuminating fixing spray, and then just blend it everything, not blend, just put everything together. Then putting up the highlighter from My Glam face palette, again very blinding highlighter. I really like this particular face palette a lot. The highlighter and the contour is exactly what I look for. So very blinding kind of an highlight that you can see, and I'll apply it on the cheekbones, on the cupid's bow and everything. And then last but not the least, certainly this Faces crayon in the shade Magnetic Magic. If I'm not wrong, I really love this shade, and somehow I really felt that this would be the right lipstick for this particular look, to give it a more glam look altogether. So you can see how superbly brightened this whole look. So then this is my final look, and I just tried to little bit curl my hairs and from the ends, and just keep my hairs open, and because I don't experiment much with my hairs. That's about it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye.